Hey guys, Summer here from Dark Chocolate Almonds. Today I have some accessory fashion DIYs that I hope you'll enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be part of the Almond Head Army. Without further ado, let's begin. For this DIY, you will need a plain black headband, 3 colors of pipe cleaners of your choice, and a hot glue gun. First, start by putting the 3 pipe cleaners together and hot gluing them at the top. Then, take some scissors and cut them in half. Do the same as you did before and hot glue the second halves of the pipe cleaners at the top too. When you're ready, you can start braiding them. Take one of the halves and start braiding. Make sure you pull the braid tight. When you're done with the braids, take the ends and twist them together, and then repeat with the other half, so you have 2 braids. Once you're done with that, you can bend the pipe cleaners into a triangular shape. You can measure them on the headband to see if you want to cut them. You can use your scissors and cut them to the length and size that you want. Then you can do the same with the other and start cutting that one to the size of the first one. To do that, you can place it on top of the other one and cut it down until it's the same size as the first one. Which leads us into our final step, which is gluing them on. You can take the hot glue and put some glue on the ends of the ears and then place them on the headband. And then do the same with the other one. You want to make sure that the ears will stay on so you can glue more around the base of the ears. Make sure the glue is completely dry before you put this in your hair. And there you go, a fun DIY. Hope you enjoyed.